trade on the Euro Japanese yen. This is the 1 minute time frame. I've got confirmations with all my indicators. The DPI is showing me yellow, but all the other indicators that you can't see are also saying that I should be going long. So we made the entry, and now we are waiting to have price rise. So I'm going to adjust my stop loss and my take profit. All right, now market is moving very nice in my favor. Now my take profits about 6 pips away from my entry, and there we go. We had price just nail that take profit, and it was hit right while you're watching, which is the best way to do this. Price is moving really nice and moving really quick. So I made my 6 pips fairly quick, fairly painless, and as you can see, my take profit was hit, and it was done in about 2 minutes. So we've got an entry here, a stop loss was down here, take profit was here. And in this trade, I was able to take away $7,881. And again, that was in just about 2 minutes. So this was really quite quick. The signals were very clear. This was very simple, straightforward, and thanks for watching.